Let's do this. All right, let's do this, right? Let's see how you multiply fraction by another fraction. Remember the secret that we talked about in class. Okay, I'm going to read this here right now for you. All right, to divide by a number is the same as to multiply by the reciprocal. You know, we talk about reciprocals in class. So negative 1/2 is the divisor. So this is the divisor right there. So you need to change it into the flip version of it once you change the division into multiplication. All right, so it's negative 1/9 times. To divide is the same as to multiply by the reciprocal. So now you have 2/-1 is the reciprocal. Right? So now let's multiply. If you multiply fractions, you multiply across. Like so. Right? So negative 1 times 2. That's the numerator. 9 times negative 1. No, it's the denominator. Okay, let's multiply across the numerator. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Alright, the denominator 9 times negative 1 is negative 9. Alright, we know that negative times negative over here, see this here, negative times negative is positive. Oh, yeah, that's positive. Okay, so negative divided by negative is positive 2/9. Look at that, it's that simple. That's already a simplified version because you can no longer reduce it, okay? That's the result. Alright, so I hope it helps, and we'll stop it here. Oh, I forget, sorry. You want to pause the video and practice on this problem here. I mean, this here. Alright, please. That's the only way that you will better your math. Alright, take care. See you soon. Bye.